morning, traders. Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss Apple stock and Fibonacci crab pattern trading. Apple stock and Fibonacci crab pattern trading. Alright. So in this tutorial, we want to share more tips and tricks that one can use to trade the Fibonacci crab pattern. In this case, the financial instrument that we are analyzing is Apple stock. All right. So for traders who do not know what is a crab pattern, what is a Fibonacci crab pattern, I would like to refer you to our YouTube channel, the Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Check out the videos about a Fibonacci trader explains the Fibonacci crab pattern. Check out videos relating to the crab pattern, C-R-A-B, the crab pattern, the crab Fibonacci pattern by Day Pro Traders YouTube channel, and you will understand now what is a crab pattern. All right. So the first condition for all Fibonacci, all right, patterns, we must have first a trending first. This is very important. All right, a trending first. So if you are using any Fibonacci pattern, understand the condition. Trending first, then a pullback, without going to the beginning, and then we want to see what we call the ABC chart pattern. But for the Fibonacci patterns, the ABC pattern is respecting a specific Fibonacci ratio. All right, so there is a trending first. All right, here it is. So because sometimes traders will say, oh, this is a Fibonacci pattern, but it is not. All right, you want to know how the pattern is formed, the anatomy of the pattern. So a trending first was in place. Now we have what we call a pullback. Great. Now we are looking for what? ABC pattern. All right. So the ABC is right here, but there is a bit of a change which I'm going to explain to you because the price went on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has something to do with area wave, and I will give you a bit of hint about what's going on here, so you may understand it for Apple stock. Because yesterday Apple, in fact, came out with a new MACBOOK Pro for 2016. All right, the 13-inch, the 15-inch. All right, and they have also what they call the 12-inch. And the price range is between 1400 to 1400, 1700, and 2300. All right, that's the price range for the new MacBook Pro. Will those products, push the Apple stock to the new levels? All right, this is the question. But here we are on this chart. We can see that a crab pattern is in place, a bearish crab pattern is in place, but there are more to it which we're going to look at now. All right. So by the way, before anybody get a little bit edgy, say, George, are you telling people to sell because you are talking about a bearish crab pattern? Or who are you to tell people to sell Apple stock? I'm not telling anybody to sell Apple stock. All right. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither solicitation or an offer to buy or sell Apple stock. It's relating to Fibonacci crab pattern. All right. Trending first, price pullback, first condition is achieved. Now, the first reaction that we want to see is the AB. The AB for the crab pattern, specific Fibonacci ratio, should be 61.8%. This move here, this is what we call from here to here, that's what we call AB. The A to B should be, all right, should retrace the SA, this section here, that's what we call XA. So because I don't want the video to be too long, so that's why I'm referring you to other videos where I already explained to trader what is a crab pattern. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it means that you don't understand what is a crab pattern. You need to watch the other video first before watching this one. All right. So this is XA, this is AB. All right. So the AB should retrace the SA. 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. That's exactly what has happened here. Let's check it out. Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement. Boom. Now there, here it is, 61.8. We have too many lines. You see this black line. The dotted line above that black line, that's 61.8%. You see how the price stopped there? You see the black line here, the dotted line above it. Let's zoom into it, my friend. See the black line and the dotted line above. That's the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of the SA. So the first condition, the first measurement, we are measuring, okay, the pattern to make sure that we are not calling, okay, something else. All right, am I making sense? All right, so this is AB retracing SA. All right, 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Now the B to C. So where is the B to C? So B to C, all right? The B to C should retrace the AB, should be between 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level up to, all right, 88.6% Fibonacci retracement level. So it's a wide range. Can be the lowest, all right, 38.2%, the maximum 88.6% retracement. So you can see here, this is quite a shallow retracement. It's 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of AB. I'm not going to bother to measure it. It's up to you if you want to measure it. You can use your chart to do that. So it's just the shallow retracement, 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of the AB. Second verification done. Now, the C to D, all right, C to D, which is this section here. So we have X, point X for X-ray, point A for alpha, point B for Bravo, point C for Charlie. Now this is the point D, my favorite one, point D for Delta, all right, where the pattern is completed. But we can tell the pattern as the pattern is developing. I have recorded a video recently where I posted a video about how live day trading Fibonacci butterfly pattern at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Subscribe to that channel. So this is the point D here. So the C to D should, the point delta, the point D should be at 161.8% Fibonacci extension of SA. This is SA here. All right. So we're going to apply Fibonacci extension to SA. Bear with me as I'm adjusting. Oops. As I'm adjusting my line because I want it to be on the upside. Okay. You see 161.8. Can you see here? This is where I'm moving my cursor, 161.8%. That's the line here. Okay, let's draw it out there. I will remove it. That's 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the SA on the other side. Here it is. That's the red line here. You see, that's where the point D is. You see that zone? That's where it stopped. So we have a clear-cut bearish bad pattern that is completed right here. That's why the professional trader responded and sold Apple stock down to this level of $94.75. We're talking about Apple stock and Fibonacci crab pattern. All right. We are trading first the price, but we must combine the technical analysis with the fundamental. So Apple came out with a new product that they're going to sell to the market. I told you already the price range, okay, between the 1400 to the 2300. Excellent product with what they call a touchpad. So instead of having the function key, all right, physical function key on your keyboard, you will have something like a screen where you can scroll on, and then you can have different type of functions showing on a mini screen on top of your keyboard. Instead of touching the screen, you will be touching the keyboard. This is about Apple new product. You can understand that they will sell, definitely, they will make some money out of it. So, but we have, all right, a bearish crab pattern and professional sold it. But you can see that as the pattern is completed here, the bearish crab pattern is completed here. They sold it, but it didn't go down very much. It went down a little bit here. There are more to it because there's a bit of touch of alien wave to it. But we don't want to get into that alien wave discussion now because we want to stay on the topic, which is the Fibonacci crab pattern. But looking at the price itself, what is happening here? So the Fibonacci pattern, the bearish Fibonacci crab pattern is completed right here. Okay, now they sold it, the price went down. All right, so what is the next step? So talking about combining the technical analysis and the fundamental, or talking about the trading, okay, triangle, the market first, the sector, before the individual financial instrument. All right, the heart of the trading triangle, we have the fundamentals, the economy news, all right, and the market leaders. And by the way, all right, Apple stock is a market leader for the NASDAQ 100, same like Google. So here we are. So as they sold it here, when a bearish crab pattern is completed, the Fibonacci bearish crab pattern is completed, price went down here. Now look what's happening here. The price escaping the bearish channel. So we have that this bearish channel, but now the price is escaping the bearish channel. What's going to happen, my friend? What is going to happen? All right, what is going to happen for Apple stock? All right, we're going to use now another tool, very simple, to map out, okay, Apple stock. I don't have enough time today to talk to you for long, so we're going to do it very fast. So if you don't know how to draw the pitchfork tool, one more time, you need to subscribe to Day Pro Trader YouTube channel. So 3 points, this point, first point, second point, third point, all right? Boom, we have our pitchfork tool here. So the price went out of the pitchfork tool because the pitchfork tool allows us, okay, to have a bit of idea where the price is likely to go. So because it's a rising pitchfork tool, it's indicating to us that as long as the price remains within the boundaries of the rising pitchfork tool, we must give priority to bullish signal. But now, my friend, remember that a bearish crab pattern is completed here. So you need to be a little bit clever, because what is telling us whenever you see this bearish crab pattern in place, it means that the market is a little bit, okay, bearish, all right? So though one can buy if there is a bullish trend set down, one needs to be a little bit careful because a bearish pattern is completed, all right? Very fast. For us that understand a little bit area wave, all right, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave to the upside, and then the price came down 1, 2, 3. All right. Be careful. Are we going to have, okay, a mini flat correction? Now, allow me to speak to traders who understand a little bit area wave. So a mini flat correction will be certainly. So you see now the price going up. It may pull back a bit. Okay. I'm not saying that it's going to do exactly that. Be aware of that. All right. So because sometimes traders think that, George, you are the man. Everything you say, I'll take it. Okay. Like God, you are the God. Or about you, George. If you say to buy, I'll buy. If you say sell, I'll sell. Don't do that. Okay. Don't trust anybody. Okay. So that this is just to get your attention. So are we going to have a mini flat correction where the price will go? Apple stock will go up a bit and then pull back. Okay, and then go up more, may probably retesting the edge of the pitchfork tool, or going a little bit above it. Up to which zone? We can calculate that now. I need to remove one of my Fibonacci tools. So talking about you see, what we are doing here is a bit of multi-talented trading. You need to understand more things. So I'm using Fibonacci crab pattern. I'm using area wave flat correction. All right, you see. So this is 138.2% Fibonacci extension level, just a little bit above it here. So watch this level, 153.58. Remember that level. All right, don't forget that level. Don't forget it. Okay, let's put it there in blue. It's nice color, blue, isn't it? Nice blue color. All right, here it is, gorgeous. Now, you may think that, George, why are you speaking to me like this to make you laugh a bit, or to cheer you up a bit? Traders are always serious. All right, they want to make money and they don't want to laugh. Keep laughing, my friend. So here we are. Okay, so are we going to have a mini flat correction? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, bringing the price to 153.58 level. That remains to be seen. So now that the price is above the bear channel, okay, all I can say to traders, priority to bullish signal above 112.02. That's the pink line here. But be aware, as the price going up, there's a resistance at 128.79. It may go up from 112.02 to 128.79 before pulling back a bit and then going up again all the way to 153.58. Will he do that? No. He may do that, all right? This is an expectation, all right? It's an expectation. If he's doing that, what do we need to do? We use a top-down trading method. When a trading setup is in place, we use a top-down trading method to trade it, all right? But if, for instance, my friend, the price form instead at this point in time, because we have a bearish, okay, Fibonacci crab pattern, if, for instance, my friend, we see something else, all right? So here we have the top. This is the left hand side shoulder, and the price went up all the way to this level again, this level of around $120, and the final resistance there. We will be talking about if it's now. So if it goes below the 112.02, we will be talking about a head and shoulder chart pattern. But as long as it's finding a support above 112.02, we want to give it a chance, but be aware, as I'm saying to you at the beginning of this video, that we have a bearish Fibonacci crab pattern that is in play, meaning that a lot of market participants will be willing to sell Apple stock, but there is a bit of conflict between the technical traders that are looking at a bearish Fibonacci pattern and the product, the recent product that Apple came out with the market recently. So therefore, anything is possible. We don't want to violate the trading triangle, the fundamental economy news, and the market leaders. All right. So Apple stock going up or going down, it's good news for NASDAQ 100 or bad news for NASDAQ 100. If it's going down, it will be bad news for NASDAQ 100. If it's going up, it's good news for NASDAQ 100 because Apple stock is a market leader. All right, this is just a quick technical analysis talking about the Fibonacci crab pattern relating to Apple stock. Yesterday, on the 27th of October 2016, Apple stock came out with some excellent products. Okay, a new MACBOOK Pro 13-inch and 15-inch. Those are the two major. Okay, and then at the end they show another 12-inch screen, which I watch on YouTube. A long-form content, as I told you before. I consume a long-form content on YouTube, consuming them bit by bit, all right? So if our video are long, don't worry, you can consume them bit by bit, all right? So this is it. So I hope, so the point I want to make here, we have a bearish sharp pattern in place, bearish Fibonacci crab pattern in place. First thing coming to the mind of professional trader, we want to sell this stock, we want to sell this stock, be aware of it, okay? But if you want to buy above 112.02. In that scenario, in that market environment, you want to take it gently. Be aware of the pitchfork tool. We are now on the edge of it. If it's popping out of it, we need to be gentle. As always, draw your channels and trade on the edge. Look for trading setup and do not violate the market pattern. And you will be all right. All right. For traders who understand Elliott Wave, I will be analyzing Apple stock at 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel, going a little bit deeper and deeper about the wave pattern that is showing up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here, this level here, there are more to it. We'll be discussing that at 24 Elliott Wave. There's something else here, looks like a trend, but it's not a real trend. Why? Because it did not go above the 131.2% Fibonacci extension level of this move from here, this trending first from here, all the way up here. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop exactly at 13138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the prior trend. So therefore, we can call this a proper trend. You understand? So now we have 1, 2, 3. Are we going to have another mini flat correction? 1, 2, 3. All right, that remains to be seen. So as always, we are aware of something. We are expecting something. All right, don't go before the price. If it's taking place, you have an edge, and you can make excellent decisions following the trading drill, the setup, the signal, all right, multiple time frame trading method without violating the trading triangle. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTWSYS008 the traders talking about Apple stock and Fibonacci, okay, crab pattern trading. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.